Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can check your transaction history on Betfair. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account in Betfair and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface of Betfair apps on screen, where you can see profile option at top right corner. Just tap over there and now you'll be redirected to the another section where you can see transaction history just down below the screen. Just tap on it and now finally you'll be directed to the official transaction history section, where you can check your transaction history over here. And you can also see options. Just tap over there and you can filter your transaction history as well. So basically this is how you can check your transaction history on Betfair. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.